Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you how you can create an animated video by using ink transition or ink animation. Let's start our video as usual. Before I start my video, subscribe my channel and share my videos and like as well. Let's start our video. First of all, we need some graphics. I started with the summer background. Go to elements. Here I use set as background. Set as image background. Duplicate this one. Reduce the time to. Now take another image of summer and I will take the image of autumn on it like this. Go to animate, select a new transition of ink. Here is four options: seep, flow, bloom and splash. I will select bloom. Next I will select again this image. Here, now this time set as image background and take a new image of winter over there. Go to animate, click on ink and select splash. Again winter, set as background. Take another image of spring. Here is spring. Go to animate, ink and flow, seep. Click on next page and select this and set as image background. Check it out. Download it. MP4 video download. When it download, go to upload. Upload this video and meanwhile it is uploading. Delete pages. Click on playback. Reduce the video speed up to 0.5 and select this video as a background. Now you can see the final results. Here is the final results. This is a new feature of Canva. You will enjoy this feature and it will take to the next level your videos. Hope you will like the video. If you like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz till my next video.